So everyone, today we are showing you how to create Premiere on your YouTube channel. So if you very member only, a new friend, please click the subscribe button and click the able bell notification so you notify the videos upcoming. So the first, to order to create the Premiere, first you need to do is click create, click upload video. And once again, if it shows you on the screen, what you do is click files, and also if you click blue button that select files, and click that, select files, alright, is click gallery, okay, dude, it just keep out by itself. Alright, sorry about that guys. First, click video files, scroll down and find the video if you want to upload. Okay, this one right here, mention the husky. So what you do is click that and click the video if you want to upload. Also, is avoid a copyright strike. This is what happens when you upload. Medicine has temper is way to produce. Now let's go to check. And now it's checking the content. Okay. No more copyright. Okay. The first is go to the 4 dots right here. Click schedule. And set time and date. It doesn't matter which one if you like. Alright, I want to set 29th. If you see a red one, it says select a time to the future. Click it, the time. If you want to check out how to change Premiere time video, I have card info popped out. So if you want to watch it, just thank you so much for likes, and I appreciate it. Okay, let's see the time. "9:30". Okay. Now, what you do is tap Set as Premiere. Set Premiere. Okay. So, tap Schedule. Okay, once again, if you're done, what you do is share a link. If you have like Patreon, Facebook, email, Twitter, so it doesn't matter which you use. Tap close. There you have it, guys. Thanks so much, guys, for watching. Please be sure to press the subscribe button to new family member only. And thanks for watching. Stay safe, guys.